He is known for his collection of poems, Gitanjali, which earned him the Nobel Prize in Literature. Gitanjali is a deeply spiritual work that explores the themes of love, nature, and the divine. Tagore was also a social reformer who founded the Vishwa Bharati University in Shantiniketan. This institution aimed to promote education and cultural exchange between the East and West. Shantiniketan became a hub of artistic and intellectual activity, attracting scholars, artists, and thinkers from all over the world. Tagore's creativity extended beyond literature and education. He also composed the music and lyrics for the Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. This stirring composition celebrates the diversity and unity of India and is a symbol of the country's freedom and identity. Tagore's contributions to India's cultural heritage continue to be celebrated today, as his legacy serves as an inspiration to artists, scholars, and activists around the world. Thank you.
Rabindranath Tagore, and I'm here with one of his poems, Ekta Cholole, or in the English verse we say it, walk alone. If they answer not your cause, walk alone. If they're afraid and cower mutely, facing the wall, O thou unlucky one, open your mind and speak out alone. If they turn away and desert you when crossing the wilderness, O thou unlucky one, trample the thorns under the tread along the bloodline track, travel alone. If they shut doors and do not hold up lights, when the night is troubled with storm, O thou unlucky one, with the thunder flame of pain, ignite your own heart and let it burn out. Thank you.